Alright, so this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to register for Pearson. So I'm going to go to pearsonmylabandmastering.com. What you would do, let me see if I can set up one now. You would click on student, right? We're going to click on OK register. The course ID is on the syllabus, so I'm going to open up a copy of the syllabus. So this, I'll do it for my college algebra course. I guess it's support for college algebra. So I include these instructions on how to register for Pearson. So for this course, you see this Pfeiffer 72107. Okay. I'm going to hit continue, and you see our course over on the right. So then you would click on create a Pearson account. I'm just going to log in. I'm going to try to log in. I don't feel like doing any of this. What account could I use? I think I could use that one. Once you create the account, let me see if it'll just go through. I just need, let me do, what's a dummy email? Okay. Hopefully it'll just let this go through. I'm going to click on I agree. Okay, I'm going to create an account. Okay, so wherever I just sent that, I don't know where that's going. But once you get to this page and you're prompted to pay, right here at the bottom, it says get temporary access without payment for 14 days. You want to click on that, and that'll give you 2 weeks of access. Right now I'm working to see if we can get full access because of this whole Corona thing. I know some of these sites are offering full access for the rest of the semester. But for right now, just go ahead and click on this link that says get temporary access for 14 days. Okay? And that's how you get in there, and you can go ahead and get started with your work. All right? And from one beautiful mind to another, enjoy the rest of your day.